guys, so we just got back home from work and the engine shop, so here she is. I mean, I'll get close-up shots later on probably, so, but you've seen it already. I mean, it came out great. There's rust, of course, 1970, we expect. So, the old mains power drill with a little wire wheel, and it came unplugged. So, plug her in. Alright, so let's see what happens here. Alright, we'll set up a time lapse, of course, because I'm not going to let you guys watch. God knows how long this is going to take me, so. I'll try to get it done in at least an hour or so, we'll shorten it up, and we also got to take off this gasket here still. But yeah, $25, can't beat it. To get it cleaned, hide, and everything, so no grease or anything. Love it. Alright, let's begin. Okay, so this drill here is not cutting it, to be honest with you. It's stopping, doesn't have any power. It's old, I got it for free from my brother, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna swap drills out. Alright? Okay, we're back. So, Walkie again. Again, great tools. Go get yours today at your Home Depot store. Alright. That's the bottom half done, and half of the cylinder walls as well. I went through one battery and almost a battery and a half actually. I mean, these batteries don't last that long, but they can charge really quickly, so I can keep going until my drill gets red hot. Then I'm kind of, but it's got a warranty, so we're good. Anyway, let's start. All right, let's flip this over. Start on the other side. This side ain't too bad, so we should knock this out within maybe 15-20 minutes. Let's do it. So, I don't know how long that was. I didn't look at the footage or anything. So, we got the majority of it done. I mean, it's good enough. It's good enough for paint, primer and paint. So, that might be happening Sunday. I am not sure yet. So, today's Friday at the moment. So, but tomorrow, we are taking it to my dad's mechanic shop. So, he has the oxyacetylene torch there, and I'm gonna head to the welding supply store and get some brazing rods. So that's the plan, and I will show you the plan. I would show you the plan, but you'll see it tomorrow. But yeah, I'll get you a close-up one. So yeah, here she is right now. I'm trying my best with the wire wheel to get the cylinder walls and everything, make them look shiny. Maybe if I took a But luckily for me, that wire wheel is the same size as the cylinder wall, so I got lucky there. I did not plan that. But yeah, and uncover these numbers here from GM. Got
That one. That one there. I have no idea what. I never saw that in my life. So if anyone knows what that means, comment below. That there. On the other side here. Again, the cylinder walls are look pretty good. Bottoms, could be touched up more, but my drill was getting hot and I drained both batteries like countless times already. So we're just gonna leave it go right there. Again, there's that there. Again, I don't know what these numbers mean, so some places I couldn't get to, obviously. I don't have like a little cone wire brush or anything like that, so. But yeah, she's looking pretty good. Can't wait to see it built, really. Painted.
Alright, so I guess that's about it for part 2 for today. I mean, that's all I can really do. I don't have any welding gas or anything like that. Well, I don't have an oxyacetylene torch here. So, yeah, tomorrow's another day, and we'll just go from there, pretty much. Alright? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And who knows, if you guys want one, go to the junkyard and we'll pick one out. Whatever motor you want, from a Ford, Chevy, Dodge, whatever. Let me know in the comments below. Alright? Alright, I'll see you guys later.